guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can earn free Litecoin from one of the best paying cryptocurrency site. So guys, to do this, all you need to do, just follow this video to the end and I'm going to be getting step-by-step guide on how to do this. Please and please, if you are also watching this video, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload nice content like this, you're going to be the first to be notified on it. So guys, all you need to do, the link to the site is going to be left in the description box below. When you come to the link that is left in the description box below and tap on it, you're going to be directed to this page over here. All you need to do, as you can see over here, you're going to be seeing the login section and the register section. So all you need to do is to tap on the register section as a new user, and if you are already on the site but maybe you are not using it again, you can come over here, log in and start using your site. So when you want to register, input all your information and your account is going to be registered successfully. And after that is done, you go ahead and log into your account after your registration. So after logging into your account, you are going to be redirected to your dashboard, where you are going to be seeing your earnings and other methods of earning. So guys, as you can see over here, this is my dashboard. As you can see, it's still loading up. So as you can see over here, this is my dashboard and this is the amount of coins I have left. I have 25,961.2 coins left. So guys, all you need to do to earn on this site is to go over to these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now when you tap on it, you're going to be seeing some earning options. As you can see over here, you can partake in contests, daily bonus, faucet, offer walls, PTC, short links, mining, games, achievement, and to earn. So guys, I'm going to be showing you on the PTC. Now when you tap on PTC, it's going to be showing you several ads in which you are going to be viewing to earn. As you can see over here, you have over 14 available ads. 280 coins to be received, and plus 14 experience data. So guys, these are the sites. All you need to do is to tap on the view, which is over here, and you're going to be viewing this for 10 seconds to earn 20 points. So guys, this is how you can do this. And also you can also go to the daily bonus to claim your daily bonus when every day, every 24 hours you log in on these sites. So guys, as you can see over here, all you need to do is just complete this captcha. It says choose the upside down picture, then you tap on claim. And when you tap on claim, your bonus is going to be added immediately to your balance. So guys, our bonus has been added to our balance, so we are going to be going back to our dashboard, as you can see over here, and I'm going to be showing you how to make your withdrawal directly to your faucetpay account. So guys, when you tap on the three lines at the top right left corner of your screen, go ahead, as you can see over here, to tap on withdraw, which is over here. Now when you tap on the withdraw section, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be making withdrawal of Litecoin. And when you tap on withdraw, you come over here, it says select payment method. Now you tap on select payment method. You can withdraw through faucetpay, Payer, BSC, Coinbase, and direct wallet. But for the purpose of this video, I'll be going with faucetpay. Now you come over here and select cryptocurrency. For the purpose of this video, I'll be going for Litecoin, as you can see over here. And when you tap on Litecoin, this is the amount of coins I'm going to be withdrawing, and this is the amount that is going to be appearing in my wallet. So what you need to do next is to come over here, input your faucetpay email address, then you tap on withdraw. Then you tap on withdraw, which is over here. And when you tap on withdraw, as you can see over here, you have to confirm. Then when you confirm your withdrawal, the withdrawal is going to be sent directly to your faucetpay account. So guys, as you can see over here, this amount of coins, 25,961 coins has been sent, which is 0.003 Litecoin. I'm going to receive that amount of Litecoin in my faucetpay account. So if you don't know how to withdraw your earnings from your faucetpay to your Trustwallet, a link to the video which I explained everything is going to be left in the description box below. So I'm going to be going to my faucetpay to see if this payment actually arrived. So guys, as you can see over here, my payment of Litecoin has successfully arrived. So guys, this is how you can earn from this platform without any investment of any kind, and you can also refer by tapping on the account which is over here. And when you tap on accounts, you are going to be seeing referrals. You tap on referrals to copy your referral link and share to your friends and family. So when they also earn, you are going to be earning some percentage from them. As you can see over here, all you need to do is come over here, copy your referral link, then share to your friends and loved ones so they too can also earn from this website. Thanks for watching and see you on my next video. And also wish you all a happy and prosperous new year.